Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to this week's Friday food review. Today we are going to be reviewing the Chef 5-minute meals. This thing is completely self-contained, including the liquid. We are going to open this up, get everything going, and give this a taste. And this week's drink is Sprite Limonade. Limonade? Sounds pretty refreshing. There wasn't a diet version, so we got full calorie this week. Looks like it should be pretty tasty, so we will try this right before our meal. Here we have our food pouch. I believe they called this an oven. This is our oven, but the heating pad oven, yeah. And then the activator is in there. I hope that this is all self-contained, otherwise I'm gonna have to hike back down to my car and get some items. All right, I will get this open, get some things under control, and then we'll come back. I didn't record any of that. You are kidding me. I didn't record any of that. Right now we have the activator going. This is in fact all self-contained. There's a heating element in this, what they call oven. The food pouch is in there, and then it comes with its own activator, which says not to drink, but when I smelled it, it smelled just like water, and I cannot believe I didn't record any of that. I'm in this very precarious spot right now, trying not to let things fall or have things fall because I'll have to climb down and get them, so I apologize, we didn't witness the bag opening, but we are waiting 5 to 10 minutes for this to warm up, and then we'll come back and try our drink. I don't really have a place to set it, but this is serious. It's hot. Okay. We have just a few minutes left, so let's open this up while I keep the food from dropping 5 feet. Oh gosh. Smells limonade-y. Ooh. First of all, Sprite is extremely carbonated to begin with. Yeah, it is definitely a limonade drink for sure. Very refreshing, pretty dang sweet, because this is full calorie after all. I would love to try the zero sugar version of this. Ooh, that's a lot. I will not be finishing this drink, so. But if you like lime and a lot of carbonation, this drink is for you. Okay, we're just about ready, and we are ready. Like the other self-contained meals, this came with a utensil and some salt and pepper. Look at that, that's a spork. I should have put this heating oven in the pouch it came in. That would have been a lot smarter to do. But of course, I only thought about it after the fact. Oh, goodness. Hopefully this is nice and warm. Oh, it is so hot. So yeah, that's why I should have put it in the bag it came in. This does feel very warm. I let it go for 7 minutes, if I didn't already say that. That's really hot. It smells like Chef Boyardee, which is, I think, fitting for a meal like this. The picture looks a lot better than this. You know, what is this supposed to be? Chicken pasta? I don't know where the chicken is. Get my utensil. Is that the chicken that looks like a meatball? That's dark meat. Not a huge fan of dark meat, but we will give it a try. This is so bland. I know this already has a ton of sodium in it, but it needs salt. Definitely needs my Cholula, which I don't have. It's in the car. I don't even know if Cholula could save this. It's very unappetizing looking. It does not look very appetizing at all, and it's really not appetizing. No. No. Nope. That's a no from me. But like the oatmeals last week, maybe there is a different flavor that could work. I don't know. Have any of you ever tried this brand of meal? What do you think? I honestly don't know where I bought it. I have a lot of camping meals that I've just been hanging on to for a long time. So I cannot remember where I got it, but I will give it another try. I learned from the oatmeals. At least I will give a different dish a try and see how that goes. If there's anything you would like to send me, my P.O. box will be listed in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.